Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Today we are exploring one of the most fascinating and debated topics in human sexuality, the mysterious G-spot. Some call it a hidden pleasure button while others argue it's simply a myth. That means you can see that there are two groups of scientists. One group is saying G-spot really exists and other group of scientists are saying that no, G-spot doesn't exist at all. So this G-spot okay, this G-spot comes from Dr. Ernst Grafenberg. He was a German gynecologist and he described for the first time this G-spot in 1950s. G comes from Grafenberg. Name of the scientist and doctor, means gynecologist, was what? Dr. Ernst Grafenberg. So in Grafenberg, G is present. The first letter is G, and from there, the name is given to that spot as G spot. Okay. Anyway, that means G spot means Grafenberg spot. So he described this G spot for the first time. G spot is not a point. Okay. Actually, according to his description, G spot is located on the anterior wall of the vagina, a few centimeters in. Okay, so G-spot is located on the anterior wall of the vagina, a few centimeters in. So according to Dr. Ernst Grafenberg, that is the G-spot. Okay, and for decades, many people believed that G-spot is the source of intense pleasure and even female ejaculation. Okay, means stimulation of that part, that is G-spot, stimulation of the G-spot causes intense pleasure. Okay, means actually it causes orgasms as well as female ejaculation, according to many people, not all. That was the belief of common people. Anyway, but two groups of scientists are saying, two groups of scientists are there and they are giving their different opinions. Actually, scientists have not found any distinct anatomical structure for the G-spot. And you know, modern imaging techniques are available at present, and modern imaging techniques show that G-spot is not actually, modern imaging techniques show that vagina, urethra and clitoris, those things are not isolated. You know the location of all those things, vagina, urethra and the clitoris. Distances between them are very small as seen from the outside, but when images were taken, the images revealed that they are not actually isolated, they are connected by tissues and nerves. That means they form a network of tissues and nerves, and that is also that is also called a clitoral network. Okay, clitoral network. So clitoral network, that is actually full of nerve endings. That's why stimulation of that part. So that means we can say what? We can say that G-spot might be a part of that larger clitoral complex or clitoral network. A part of larger clitoral complex. This larger clitoral complex, that means this is a combination of vagina, urethra and clitoris. They are connected by tissues. Blood vessels are also there, nerve endings are there. So G-spot is what? G-spot is a part of, might be, okay? G-spot might be the part of that larger clitoral complex. And whenever this part is stimulated somehow, okay, then in that case it produces orgasms as well as female ejaculation. Means this is the location for which female actually experience intense pleasure, and as well as female ejaculation also occurs when this G-spot is stimulated. Okay, but two groups of scientists are there. One group confirm that yes, this really exists, because they have got that kind of stimulation. When that part was stimulated somehow, so they got actually what? They got that level of satisfaction of women. Okay, intense pleasure. And other groups, they are saying that they actually have failed to find any special tissue in that region. That's why two groups are there, so that's why debate exists. But one thing, since debate exists, so this debate actually proves one thing clearly. What is that thing? Female sexual anatomy is so complex. It proves this thing. Female sexual anatomy is very complex. It is not simple. Actually, it is oversimplified and it is ignored in mainstream science. But pleasure is not a trivial matter. Pleasure is something, means sexual pleasure is something which should be taken care of, and that is known to you. So that means what? That means that this is a serious topic of research. This sexual pleasure is a serious topic of research. Anyway, if you believe in G-spot or not, that doesn't matter. Okay. What truly matters is personal experience, communication, and respect in intimacy. Okay. Means you need to learn techniques how to stimulate the female sexual organ to give her maximum satisfaction, maximum pleasure, whether you believe in G-spot or not. So all these things depend upon what? All these things depend upon personal experience. Communication is also required, and respect in intimacy, that is also desired for every couple. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. So what is the conclusion? Actually, there is no conclusion at all at the end of this video. No conclusion. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is the mixture of both. May exist, may not exist. Okay. Anyway, but that region exists. Somehow in that region, if stimulation occurs, really in that case, females experience a high level of satisfaction or high level of pleasure. Okay, anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.